Hi everyone, Chris here. This is my first attempt at doing a unboxing video. I'm really excited about doing this. What this is going to be a AP surge arrest performance surge protector that I got from Dell Computer. So let's see what it looks like. Yeah, how I found out about this is a website that I go on, Our Instant Wins, that has a bunch of instant win games online, and one of them was for Dell's Alienware Arena, and you can win points by entering contests and stuff, and I was able to save up enough points to get this. So let's see what we have. The packing, which I'm going to be popping later on outside. And then the box. Looks like it was shipped pretty good. Oh, heavy. Very heavy. So it's the APC Surge Arrest Surge Protector. There's 11 outlets. 3020 joules, whatever that is. Coax surge protector, phone fax modem protection, 8-inch or 8-foot power cord, $300,000 lifetime connected equipment protection, and lifetime product warranty. Let's open up this bad boy and see what it is. So the link to the Alienware Arena will be in the comment area below, and also I want to thank the folks over at Our Instant Win for letting me know about this contest. The link to that will also be under the. So let's open this up. So it's just a surge protector with some instructions. Let's see if the instructions are in English. That's usually a big plus. We have on the front, important safety instructions, descriptions of operations. So yes, it is in English. It's also in two other languages, which it looks like Spanish and maybe Portuguese. It has the warranty information. This policy is not warranty, refers to the APC limited warranty, blah blah blah, all legal stuff, which I won't read. And then to register it online for information, you can also register it by mail if you're older and you don't use the internet. And then a quality assurance test. So the other thing is, I'm going to leave a link in the comment section for Swagbucks, because even though I got this for free, I was able to use Swagbucks, which is a site that you can do surveys, watch videos, buy stuff online, and do local shopping, and get points that you can get gift certificates to places like Amazon, PayPal, Walmart, a bunch of places. And for going through Swagbucks, I got 60 cents towards my account, which will go towards a Amazon gift certificate, so I can buy more swag. So here's the unit. It looks like it's big enough, so like if you have a large outlet or a large plug, you can use them down here. Smaller stuff there for your cables to your internet and to your TV can go there. Phone and your DSL can go there. And they have on-off switch switches on top, which I like, because if it was underneath or behind, I would have trouble finding it. So yeah, with Swagbucks, I got 60 cents towards my account. So I'm also going to be leaving a link to sign up for Swagbucks in the comments area also. So they have light for protection working, overload, which is good because I tend to fill these up. The reason why I got this is I'm going to be getting a new microwave oven in the next couple of weeks, and the surge protector I have now, where my computer and everything is running out of space because there's only 8 outlets. So I want this for all my important stuff, and the other surge protector, which is smaller, will be for like my refrigerator, my microwave, my printer, and the charger for my Fitbit. And then here is another cable, which is, I believe, extensions for the phone and the internet. So let's see how big this is. I also want to thank one of my roommates for shooting the video. This is her first time shooting a video and she's nervous. So I know it'll turn out really good. I have all the faith in the world in her. Let's see. I hate red wires like this. Here, just cut it off. If I can find a knife. This is how long the extension cord is, which is awesome. Good distance. So, in a couple weeks I'm going to be shooting another video after I test this out to see how it is. As I said, the links to the Dell Alienware site, where they have different forums they can talk about gaming, and they also have the Instant Wins. The link to our Instant Win website, which has about a bunch of different Instant Win games that you can play online, and the link to Swagbucks, so you can make some extra money through doing surveys, buying products online, and watching videos. And thank you very much. Have a good day.